What's up, guys? Let me just get my break loaded here on my phone and I'll get everyone tagged. It's not printing out my team list. That's annoying, but I think we'll be good. Get everyone tagged in the break. Let's see. Okay, we can see the video. It was blank screen for me for a second, but we're good. 1 minute. Just get everyone tagged up so we can. Oops. Myself talking to myself. Whoop whoop. What up, Tommy? Yeah, hope to pull everyone something cool. Got a couple cool freebies there as well. Tommy's getting tagged even though he's in already. He knows. Nice. Tommy said you can have his Watsons. That's cool. What a great guy. There we go, all tagged up. Let me see if I can get this team list printed out. It's giving me a headache right now. Not printing. Just have to put it into paint or something. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to take a screen cap of it and print it another way. I gotta be able to read off who's getting the hits. It annoys me when I don't know. Okay, print it up. Alright, 1 second, grab this print. Okay, sorry about that. Just had to get a shipment of shipping supplies just came in as well. Don't save. Okay, let's do this. 6-box break. Everything the same as last time except for 1 box of XR has been traded out for a certified box. Okay, lots of people in. Got some nice freebies here. Nice Deshaun Jackson rookie Letterman auto out of 25 there. That'll be one of the prizes. Nice Terrence Williams multicolor patch. And Dak and Zeke rookie will go to someone. So we'll set those aside. Hitless guys will fight over those later. Right now we'll get to the main event, our break. So we'll start it off with an unparalleled box. Phone in my way. There we go. Unparalleled. 2 autos, 1 patch, 8 cards per pack. Whoops. 8 packs per box, 64 cards. Box numero uno of the 6-box mixer. Here we go, guys. Best of luck. Let's pull some nice stuff. Damon Harrison. Right away, looks like we got, what is this here? Out of 49, there you go. Nice Aaron Jones auto for the Packers. He's been turning it up with Tymont injured. Sleeve. Packers, William grabbing them. Nice Aaron Jones auto out of 49. Pretty nice looking card there. Going to William. William's got a big chunk of team, so I'm sure we'll be calling his name out a bunch. Nice Aaron Jones auto started off. Rashad Jones. Frank Gore. Michael Thomas. Wait, what? Must be a different Michael Thomas. At a 99, Dolphins. I was thinking the Saints. Michael Thomas. Odell Beckham. Malik Hooker, rookie. And Tyus Bowser, Ravens rookie, numbered at a 499 for the Ravens. Okay, next pack, 1 auto down. Nice Aaron Jones to start us. Actual running back for the Packers. He'll probably work out better than Tymont in the long run. Cairo Santos, kicker. Cam Newton. Anthony Brown, rookie, Cowboys. Damon Harrison, Giants. Derrick Henry, Titans. This will be numbered at a 199 for the Titans. Derrick Henry. Carson Wentz, year 2 card. Malachi Dupree, rookie. Chris Wormley, both rookies. Clay Matthews, Tom Brady, nice. The green, sweet green parallel there. Mike Glennon, you've been swapped out, bro. David Andrews, rookie. It's not his rookie card. I don't know. Maybe it's his first card made. He was definitely a rookie last year, or maybe even the year before. I think this is his 2nd year, maybe even 3rd year. Yeah, some of the rookie printings on this are definitely off. Reggie Wayne. That one's numbered out of 199 up there in the top right. Colts parallel. Desmond King. And then Trent Taylor, San Francisco, at a 299 parallel. Next pack. Feels like a thick one. Gee whiz, this one is super stuck together. There we go. You will not defeat me. Looks like a hit. Unless it's a bumper. No, it's a bumper card. Bumper. Des Bryant. DJ. Isaiah Crowell. Jared Goff. Tevin Coleman. Not numbered. Odell and Sterling Shepard dual card. Non-numbered. Justin Evans, Malik McDowell, rookies. Brandon Cooks, Robert Kelly, Jared Veldier, rookie. Donald Penn, Derek Carr, non-numbered. Kenyon Drake, Matthew Davies, or Davis, Days, excuse me. Ryan Glassow, out of 4.99. Bengals parallel. 3 more packs, looking for the other 2 hits. T.Y. Stephon Diggs. David Bakhtiari. I see, that's definitely not a rookie either. They're definitely misprinted as rookies, lots of these. Matthews. Cam Newton, that's a numbered, I think, at a 99 that's going to be. 199. Sterling Sharp, throwback style, at a 99. Packers. Lots of Packers stuff already. Elijah McGuire. Gerald Everett. Next next 2 hits should be in these next 2 packs. Yeah, there's definitely the patch one in here. Thick, nicely cut card. Get the other base up in front of it. Antonio. Julius Peppers. Muhammad Wilkerson. Dual Cameron Wake Sue. Dolphins. Ryan Glassow. Quincy Wilson. Colts at a 299. Carlos Hyde, and then Carlos Henderson at a 199 patch for the Broncos. Broncos, Tommy Gager. Carlos Henderson rookie jumbo patch. $148 out of 199, Tommy. What does that say? Wind chimes. Wind chimes refractor. Okay, last pack. Gonna be the auto in here. Second auto of the box. Looks like a patch auto. It's a pretty thick one. Let's see what we got. Maybe redemption or something. Seems to be a thick card, but I don't know if it's a hit. Should be. Nah, it's a bumper card, so maybe a redemption. Darren Lee. Tevin Coleman. There's the bumper. If they don't give us a 3rd hit, I'll pop something extra in, because looking a little weird here. I don't know. Let's see. Hopefully it'll be in here. Jalen Ramsey, Terrell Pryor Sr., Cam Newton. Looks like there's something backwards. Maybe not. Cam Newton non-numbered. Peyton Manning. David Njoku. Hassan Reddick. I'm gonna scoot through all those cards real quick. Make sure I didn't miss like an auto or something, because we only got 2 hits. Parallels. Let's look through the base real quick. That was numbered, not in the numbered pile. Just want to be thorough here, make sure I didn't miss an auto. That would be stupid of me, but it doesn't look like I did. They missed an auto, looks like. Pissed me off. So I'll toss something in for us, for you guys. It'll be for everyone. I'll toss it in at the end of the break here once we're done messing with the cards. It's a bummer though. It kind of pisses me off. Actually, really pisses me off. Just see the box here. Well, I'm going to save the box, and then maybe we'll be able to do a quality control thing on it. Save this one, and let me mark it. Big X in the front. There we go. So that's a pain in the ass. Don't worry, I'll get you guys and put another card in, and it'll be like a random for everyone. Okay, let's go with our Origins box. Another 3 hits, hopefully. Guessing they won't mess up multiple times. Well, I mean, you never know, but at least we got a nice auto in that Unparalleled. Got one nice auto in there at least. 3 hits in this Origins. 7 cards it is. Yep, 7. Base on the bottom. Yep. Okay, here we go. First box Origins. Wentz base card. Oop. Eric Berry base non-numbered. Mike Wallace at a 299. The auto hit was here. I'll show you. He went to you, Aaron. I mean, William. Aaron Jones auto out of 49. Packers. 24 out of 49. So at least we got a decent auto in the box, but super bummer we didn't get 2 autos. I don't know why we got screwed out on that, but we'll definitely make it known to Panini. DeAndre Hopkins at a 150, 21 out of 150. Texans. First hit, Dalvin Cook for the Vikings. 2-color patch. 68 out of 99. Vikings Brian Scarantino. Hurt for now, but he looked promising. Maybe be back next year. Dalvin Cook 2-color. Next card. Maybe you've already seen it. Zay Jones. Bills on-card auto. This one's for Roger. Non-numbered, just standard on-carder. Yeah, Bills Roger. Next hit we have nice Wayne Gallman patch auto, almost 2-color. You got a little bit of the stitching. Autograph, all on sticker, non-numbered though. Going to Jonathan, I believe had the Giants. Yep. Start your Gallman PC, buddy. I'm sure you've already started. No number on it. Wayne Gallman. Giants patch auto. Pretty nice. Okay. Next box, we're going to do the XR now. It's the new addition to a mixer. To our mixer. Another 3-hit style box. 2 autos. And then 1 memorabilia card on average. I'd like to have an above average instead of a below average box. But even on the one we got, the one less hit, it says, it only tells you what kind of hits are they on average. It says you get 2 autos and 1 memorabilia, like guaranteed, and then on average it's like a patch auto or whatever. So we definitely got screwed out of a hit. I'll pop something in and then maybe Panini will make it right for us as well. See what's in our XR here. I've seen a few of these opened. Pretty cool. Josh Malone, Bengals rookie. No number on that. First hit, Taiwan Taylor, 46 out of 49 Titans. Autograph patch. Going to William. 2-color auto patch there. Taiwan Taylor out of 49. Got some, looks like some parallels here. Dan Marino, 4 out of 10. Pretty cool. For the Dolphins. Marquise Lee out of 299. Jags. Larry Fitzgerald at a 199. Cardinals. A couple more base here. Devontae Booker. Carlos Hyde base cards. Veteran base. Okay, next pack. 2 hits in this one should be. Another auto and another, and then a patch. Got 2 thick ones there. Get our base up top. Sidney Jones base. Manuel Sanders at a 299 Broncos. Like the feel of these cards, nice and smooth. Green Bay Packers Jordy Nelson. Des Bryant base. Cardinals, Chad Williams. We got a nice one of these acetate autos here. 60 out of 99, Curtis Samuel. Jesse and Sarah will buy that from you if he doesn't already have it. 60 out of 99. He's in the break here. He gets all the Curtis Samuel autos he can find. That's a nice one. 60 out of 99 on Carter. For the Panthers, John Sika. Yeah, it's definitely a tough auto to get all on sticker, that Taiwan there. 60 out of 99. That's a cool one, Curtis Samuel. And then we got another Titans hit. 25 out of 25. Corey Davis, Mariota, Derrick Henry. Patch with a nice stars action there. Let's say 3-color. Another one going to William. 25 out of 25 team trios. It's a pretty cool box on that. Yo, what's up? What's up, JTC? Here, I'll show you your hit you just got a second ago. Got the Wayne Gallman patch auto from Origins. Almost 2-color patch, but just a little stitching on it. Nice little Gallman action. And we just got the Samuel Taiwan from XR, and then this Titans triple out of 25, 25 out of 25. Just pulled that out of XR, so that's pretty. I like the XR setup. I've seen them pulled that are kind of crappy, but also the sticker autos kind of suck, but we got a nice on-card one, so that's cool. So certified up next. 4 hits, 2 autos, 2 patches. And then we got lots of base and stuff. Empty box, certified, ready to roll. Here we go. First pack. Nice, yeah, I mentioned that, JTC, that you're probably starting to PC. He's looking pretty good. Definitely better than most. I guess Darkwa is coming on too, but he's looking better than all the other running backs they've been bringing in. Cobb, bumper card. Got Randy Moss of Vikings parallel out of 499. Kuechly, Clay Matthews base. Bosa, Fat Rob Kelly. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, nice. That's pretty sweet. A little Thielen action. 59 out of 60. Vikings autograph. Adam Thielen, all on card. I mean, all on sticker, excuse me. Thielen's pretty good. He's a stud at PPR. No touchdowns yet this year, but I got him on my fantasy team. That's why I know everything about him. Pretty cool auto. Going to Brian Scarantino. Pat McAfee. Derek Carr base. Ooh. Let's get another bumper in there, trying to jump out. Phillip Rivers base. Warren Moon. Going to Tennessee on that one out of, what is that? 2 out of 999. And there's our bumper. Travis Kelce, 16 out of 25. Chiefs. Julio, gold team. Jordan Howard base. Next pack. Leonard Floyd, Alex Smith, and our next hit. Let's get the base up in front so we don't reveal it right when we pull the next card. Norman, Eli Manning, just saw that Smith, and Marlon Mack. Nice patch auto for the Colts. 3 out of 499. Going to William again. Williams getting that name called. I think he's got like 10 teams. Maybe, yeah, I think exactly 10. 9 teams. Nice 2-color Marlon Mack. Oh, we're getting all our sticker autos on the sticker. Pretty sweet. 3 out of 499 Marlon Mack. Patch autograph. Yeah, my WBB team totally sucks too, and you totally destroyed me. I should have beat you that week, but definitely left the door wide open for me, but I just couldn't seal the deal. Tyreek Hill, Brandon Cooks, next hit. Looks like another Carlos Henderson card. Standard patch, non-numbered this time for this new gen Carlos Henderson patch. I think that was Tommy or Rob. Yeah, Tommy's got that one. A couple of Carlos Henderson patches for you. Tim Brown, Cameron Meredith. I think we need 2 more hits out of here. Hilton, Flacco, Bumpity Bump, Golden Tate out of 299. Certified Champions, Antonio Freeman. A throwback looking card there. A throwback player for sure. Patrick Peterson base. 4 more packs, looking for 2 more hits. Looks like there's one in here. Yep, let's get that other base up. Von Miller at a 99. Matt Forte. DJ. Marshawn Lattimore at a 999. Rookie for the Saints. And Earl Thomas. I thought that was going to be an auto. Dang. 55 out of 99. Earl Thomas Seahawks. Sea Chickens. Single color jersey. Going to Tommy. Earl Thomas jumbo patch. Yeah, you played Marshawn. Oh, that sucks. You can just tell he's about to get kicked out of the game when you saw him running. So stupid. Yeah, luckily Crabtree got that the 7th play of that like 0 time drive out of 50. Doug Flutie. Crabtree got that TD for me. Had him. Smith, Eric Berry, Vic Beasley, Obi Melifonwu at a 999, and more bumper. So looking for one more auto, I believe. Unless, oh no, we got the Thielen. I think we got all the hits out of here. Yeah, we got the Thielen, Marlon Mack, and yeah, 2 patches. So I think we're good on hits in this one. J.J. Watt, Cam Newton, Josh Norman at a 499. Gold team Leonard Fournette. That's a nice one. He's hot. Hotsy totsy. Mark Ingram base. Last pack of certified. Not looking for any hits here, but maybe a bonus. Matthew Stafford. Marvin Jones bump card. Gary and Conley at a 199. Raiders. Patrick Peterson and Blake Bortles base. Okay, 2 more boxes. Let's go with the other Origins box here. I'll point it down a little bit here. There we go. Best of luck. Next 3 hits. See, I don't have my cutter. I'm just using a screwdriver. Yeah, that last second TD was sweet. Well, he caught the one and he did the push off, and I was like, oh my god, are you kidding me? And then he got like 3 more chances at it. So I was stoked on life. And also Dan Marks had Jared Cook. I was up against him and they got called that touchdown back, and I was jumping for joy. Ha 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 ha. Okay, Origins box number 2. Let's do it. Joe Flacco base. Derek Carr. It's a nice looking card with all the white blending in. It's pretty sweet. Stay there. Devontae Freeman at a $2.99. Falcons. 2/60 Kirk Cousins. Redskins. First hit of Origins. Cooper Kupp at a 99 two-color patch for the Rams. Rams Rob Gager. Cooper Kupp at a 99. Nice little patch there. Next hit, I think we got a sweetie. Boom! 21/25 Deshaun Watson. Woohoo! Tommy. Damn, son. Looks pretty nice. Little slight edge wear. I guess it's common on this, but not too vicious. The back maybe a little. Not bad. Nice. That's sick. 21/25 Deshaun. The gold ink. Beautiful card. Going to Tommy. F marks, yeah. Definitely F him. If he beats me, I'll be so pissed. Okay, last hit of the Origins. Another William hit. Another Taiwan auto. Taiwan Taylor 3-color patch auto. Nice patch auto for the Titans. And William again. Okay, last box, Unparalleled. Hopefully we'll get all 3 hits in this one, and I'll pop an extra hit for my collection in here, since we only got 2 in that first Unparalleled box, and I'll do the random right during the video here. There we go. And then we'll do excuse me, hitless bonus a little later after people get a chance to watch. Okay, Unparalleled. Oh, nice. You just said you had Deshaun Watson as your backup, and then we just pull the Deshaun Watson auto. Nice, Tommy. Classic. Unparalleled box number 2. Last box of the break. Best of luck, everyone. Yeah. Yeah. There's like so much crap on my desk here. Just like, where's my freaking knife? Carpenter knife at? Antonio. Ooh, right away we get a Steelers hit out of 25. 24/25. Cameron Sutton. Oh, not all on sticker. Broke our on sticker streak. Oh, your phone died, Tommy, right when that came up? Want me to show you again? I'll show you. It's like right here at the top. Cameron Sutton. I think Williams got them. No, Hughes got them out of 25 auto. I'll show you that Deshaun real quick, Tommy, so you can glance at his awesomeness. Oh, shiny. 21/25. Yeah, I'll send you a pic too. There it is right there. Pretty slick. Trenton Brown. Niners. Oops. Miles Jack. Forte. Derrick Henry. 8/25. Wind chimes. Kendall Beckwith. Quincy Wilson numbered. Out of 4.99 at Quincy. Donald Penn. Brian Poole. Bumper card. Kai Forbath. Rookie? No, that does not make sense. He's been in the league for like 8 years. Michael Thomas. John Kuhn. Julian Edelman. Garyon Conley. TJ Logan. Rookies. Vontez, perfect. Kirk Cousins, Chandler Jones, Andre Hall, rookie for the Texans, Jack Doyle, Colts, Jalen Ramsey, Ryan Switzer, Taco Charlatan at a 199. Rookie for the Cowboys. Dak Prescott, Luke Kuechly, Geronimo Allison. Rookie? I don't think he's a rookie. Odell Beckham, Trenton Brown. This one's probably going to be numbered. Yep, out of 49 for this. Was that Swirlo Rama for the Niners? Derek Carr, Carlos Watkins, Jake Butt at a 149 for the Broncos. One of the best names in current football. Chandler Jones. Yeah, whoever has Cardinals. Oh yeah, I send all the cards, Rob. So you'll get it. Yeah, it's yours. Tommy Boy Brady. Patrick Mahomes. What's this? Is this an auto? Oh, just a patch. Chiefs patch. Wind chimes. At a 199, Mahomes, Chiefs. Going to Hugh. Single color jumbo. Yeah, no problem, Rob. That'll be in your break package. Kurt Coleman. Jay Ajayi. Quentin Spain. Shaq Lawson. Eddie Vanderis. Mazir Jones at a 499. 3 more packs. Looking for the other auto. Bumper card there. Shaw Jones. Spencer Long. Junior Gillette. Melvin Gordon. Will Tukuafu. Dak and Zeke. Non-numbered version. Caleb Brantley. Marquez White at a 49. Cowboys parallel. Trey Turner. Looks like our next auto. D'Angelo Henderson instead of Carlos Henderson for the Broncos too. Another one going to Tommy. Tommy got some hits. Sure did. Got that Watson. Got a few Broncos. D'Angelo Henderson out of 49. 44 out of 49 auto. Mike Evans, Daniel Sorensen, Miles Jack at a 25 for the Jags, Andrew Luck, Elijah Hood, Gerard Davis at a 299 parallel. Okay, last pack of the break, everyone. Best of luck. I think we got all our hits. Yeah, we got them all. I'll add something here for everyone to random. Ramsey, Stafford, Clowney, Jason Kelsey, Rivers numbered at a 199. T.Y., another Aaron Jones rookie, and Isaiah Ford. So let's run through a quick hit recap here, and then I'll add a card to random for everyone because Panini screwed us. And maybe I'll get them to make it right. They'll probably just, if it's only like one hit, they probably only send like Panini points or some crap like that. I've never really asked them. I've never done quality control redos or whatever. D'Angelo Henderson, auto, Broncos. Patrick Mahomes, jersey. The big boomer of the break, definitely the #1 hit of the break. Deshaun Watson at a 25 autograph, gold ink on Carter. Beautiful hit. Cameron Sutton, Steelers. That was at a 25. Taiwan Taylor, patch auto. Cooper Kupp at a 99 patch. Earl Thomas at a 99 jumbo jersey. Carlos Henderson non-numbered jersey. Marlon Mack at a 499. Adam Thielen, 59 at a 60 auto. Titans 25 out of 25 triple. Corey Davis, Mariota, Derrick Henry. With a nice star emblem patch there, logo. Curtis Samuel, 60 out of 99 on-card auto. Panthers. Taiwan Taylor again at a 49 patch auto this time. Wayne Gallman, Giants. Zay Jones, Bills on-card auto, non-numbered. Dalvin Cook at a 99 two-color. Hooray, hit recap. Oh, I thought you said hurry, and I was like, oh, what the hell? Carlos Henderson. Yeah, so we only got 2 hits in that first box of Unparalleled, so I'm going to add something. At a 199, that one was. You got a nice Aaron Jones rookie auto at a 49. It's our very first hit of the break. Okay, just hang with it for 1 sec, guys, and I'll find an auto for you. Yeah, it was a missing auto, so I'll get an auto. Got some stuff lying around over here, some cool. 1 second, gonna go muted. Okay, then I'm back. Cool little auto here from Super Bowl Private Signings 2015. Justin Hardy at a 25 auto. Let me get zoomed in on that. But nice little auto. Nothing super special, but hey, I'm tossing it in for free. Pretty cool. 12 out of 25. It's probably gonna fall over again. I'll just set it right there, like that. Let me just set up a random real quick, get everyone in the break in it. Since Panini mess with us and give us a second auto in that box. Let me just pull up some random action. 1 second, let me pull up. I'll just pull up my break page and copy the team list from there. Bloop, blop, bloop. Yeah, damn it. I gotta get it from the Excel because I don't have the full team list updated on the Facebook group. My bad. $12 out of 25. Justin Hardy sealed auto, rookie auto. Yeah, William's been hitting all the randoms today. Okay, let me copy this main team list over to random, and then we shall random off this card. Let me get this screen cap up. 1 sec. Get the dice roller up. All the things. Okay, there. Here's random. Gonna roll the dice. Got to be 4 or over. Everyone is in it. All total of their teams. All 32 spots represented. So you have multiple entries if you had multiple teams into this random for the Justin Hardy add-on auto since Panini screwed us. Here we go. Go 7 times on the random. And here's our list. If you can't see it, don't worry, I'll shout it out. You probably see it a little bit, but I'll definitely announce the winner 7 times on this. Top spot is the winner of the Hardy out of 25 sealed Super Bowl signings auto. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time, 7 times on this. Best of luck. Top spot wins. Jonathan's grabbing it. JTC is the winner of the Hardy sealed auto. Congrats to JTC on that. Gets the Hardy. And we'll try to send something to Panini. Maybe they'll give us something in replacement and I'll random it for you guys. Who knows though. So JTC is the winner of that sealed auto. Do the hit list random a little later after this gets posted and people have a chance to watch. But for now, we're all done, guys. Thanks for joining. See if you guys say anything. Oh yeah, just give it to William. Yeah. No, luckily someone else got it this time. Alright guys, have a great rest of the day. Enjoy that football coming up. Go Pats. Let's do this. Falcons are going down. Alright, later guys.